Tap the tablet, yeah.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location. My name is Samuel Okoyeocha. I want to bring you, as I do weekly, an advanced method of Elliott Wave analysis. Okay, today's analysis will not take our time because things are going the way we expected. Last week was fantastic. Almost all hours, only a few didn't go as we expected. So as I tell you always, I don't have time to show you past results. If you want to know my past results, go to previous videos. For instance, if you want to know what's happening on this DXY, you go to the last two videos and you watch. Yeah, if this is the first time you are watching my video, like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a video, you will be notified. You are also free to share with your friends, those who are struggling to find their feet in the field of trading. You share with them, they might like, they will also benefit from as you do. Then we also have class for students. We have class for students. So we charge a little money to teach you. The money you pay is very little compared what you stand to gain. Trading is not easy. It takes time to master. But if you have a mentor, it will be easier for you. So I can be your mentor if you wish. If you like my style, you can let me know. You see all my links under the description of this video. Contact me if you want to learn. Even if you don't want to learn, you can join my Telegram channels. It is free. We have two channels, they are free. Then only one is for students. And our Slack group is for students. So it's up to you to decide to join us. At least on our Telegram channel, we share updates from time to time, free. On the free channel, we share almost on daily basis. Whenever we get set up, I share with the VIP, that is with my students. Okay, so let's go to the business. DSY, we know that DSY is a bullish, is still bullish. This very move is an ABC move, is a corrective move. So we are expecting the price to go up higher. But the point is that it didn't complete, it didn't enter the expected level for reversal. So who knows whether it will still go down or not. So maybe we see 4 hours, we can now judge. So now look at 4 hours. I can say that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the possibility is that we can see the price drop to this level before we begin to buy. And from our calculation, this will be the last bullish sequence we are going to get on DXY. So what happens when market opens on Sunday night? Between Sunday night and Tuesday, we know whether the price will still drop or it will begin to go up. So this is one of the reasons you need to join our Telegram group, because there's no way I can know whether the price will still drop or it have truncated. This is called truncation. So there's no way I can know now until I see what the market is doing. So if you join Telegram group, I will surely update you when to buy on this, because if you buy now, your stop loss will be wide because it can still come down to this level. So I cannot buy now. There's something I will see, then I will buy. And such things I share with you freely. Some of them, but I share all with my students. So we expect the price to drop either to this level or at least somewhere here before we buy. So you know USD, the same thing, opposite of this one is USD. So the price, the movement is always direct opposite to each other. Now there are little difference this time around. USD have touched the reversal zone. You can see it's touched the reversal zone, but this is why the not touch is still about 20% to the reversal zone. So now we still have the same scenario. So this always also seems like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can see the price go deeper into the reversal zone. So now to sell is too risky. because the price might still go up. So I would like to see the price go up again so that I will look for sell, set it up around here. USD card, the same. We also have the similar problem. You can see USD card. Let me zoom the chart. Here is our reversal zone. Price have tried to break into it, nowhere. Tried again, nowhere. It's now going up. So we need to abandon this structure and go up from here. Which is what we call truncation, or which still come back to complete it. That I cannot tell. So maybe let me look at, let me see the 1 hour chart. So 1 hour chart, watching this 1 hour chart, it is corrective in nature. This 1 hour chart is corrective in nature. So this can be an A, B, C, and if that is correct, then expect the price to drop to this zone. So now it calls for caution. Don't jump in and buy. Though what will be happening for the past 2 weeks on this is correction. All this thing is correction, and after correction, it will become a bullish move. So, but you need to enter at the right time so that you can make the money. If you enter at the wrong time, you might be frustrated. You might be out before the price begins to move. So, if you join our Telegram channel, I can update you on when to buy this. But it will be a very nice buy, and it will likely be the last bullish sequence we have before the big fall. Okay, USD USD have been behaving somehow for the past 3 months. Okay, you know, before when USD is going up, USD is going down. So they go opposite, but sometimes this time around things changed. So from what I'm seeing in the structure, the price is gonna go down. It seems to be abnormal, but that's what I see from the chart. So if you are selling this, as it is trying to present a sell opportunity, if you're selling this, don't use your normal lot size, use smaller size in case it goes against you. But I don't see reason to buy USD JPY now. That's what I'm showing you what I see on the charts. Pounds USD also behaving the way we cannot understand. But in any way, the overall trend is down. Pounds USD, they are going down. So now let me show you daily. I mean, let's go back to 4 hours. On 4 hours, last week, I showed you this last week. Go and watch the video. I said that we expect price to come to this level. That price will break this, come to this level before it reverses. Now, price have come to the reversal zone. The second question now is, has it reversed or is it still doing something? Now, this is a sell zone. Then if you are experienced, I can see that the price is still going up. So I would not like to sell here. I would like to sell right here. When price comes to this level, this is the level I would like to make my own selling at this level, because I can see that the price is still going up. So here is a sell zone for those who don't have much experience. Then for those who have much experience, when price comes to this level, I will look for reversal pattern, sell pattern at this level. That's what I would like to sell my zone, where I would like to sell USD. And this I also update you on Telegram if you join. Okay, so let's move and go to AUD USD. Let's go to 4 hours. AUD USD, all this move is corrective. From my AUD USD, I see this that is still going down. Though sometimes markets can truncate. You know, to me, this is wave 1, 2, this is wave 3, 4, and 5. So I cannot see this one as wave 3. Then this one as wave 4. It's not. It doesn't seem to be correct. So I see what the wave 4 to complete, and the current move is corrective in nature. So all this move is corrective in nature. So now, if it is truly correcting, this is not an impulse to me. Unless something happens, maybe fundamentally things change by sudden. But to me, we are still looking for wave 4 to complete. And after that, we get another sequence or another cycle going down. So it will be a nice trade. And what we do is to be patient and watch what happens in this channel. This seems to be an A, B, C. Okay, but to confirm it as an ABC, you probably need to break this. But there is a way we can trade it before the break of this. That one I cannot tell you here. So some information are reserved for the students. Okay, so now, but I'm telling you, I don't have any reason to sell it from here. Rather, I would like to see it buy. After that, I look for set it up and sell it a bit. So, using the USD, the same thing goes. All this move is corrective in nature. New Zealand USD and USD goes, they go the same direction at a time. But but we have a little difference this week. It seems New Zealand USD will be going up. Sorry, New Zealand USD will be going up slowly. AUD USD will be going up very sharp. For instance, you might get something like this. AUD USD, we might see a move like this, to complete the cycle and sell. Then on AUD, on NZD USD, you will see a move like this and sell. Why am I saying this? They go the same direction. They could relate. So now I can see that sell setup is almost ripe on AUD, on NZD USD. But on AUD USD, the sell setup is not ripe. So maybe I might sell this when market opens and the price continues to behave the way I expected. I might sell this, but I will likely wait for AUD USD to know if it will rotate or not. So having said this, sell is expected on this one. JP225. JP225, I didn't expect this very sharp move up. Well, okay, let me go down to 5. Okay, let me show you daily first. On daily, this move is corrective in nature, but I didn't expect this sharp move up. Maybe there was a news release that caused it to move in that direction. So now, but at overall move, it's still within the channel. It is still within the channel. So even the price comes to this level, it's a sell. Why am I showing you this? I don't see any reason to buy it now. Those who bought from this lower channel is fine. I didn't bought, but selling, I must expect it to sell again. So what I will do, I want to get a set up around here before I now decide what to do on this. So back to 1 hour. So as I said earlier, I expected a move like this type of move, and A, B, C. Then price goes down, but price moved very sharp. Maybe that was the news release. I don't know. But what I expect now is the price to correct and move up again. From here, I look for sell setup. Now, Euro JPY. Let's go to 4 hours. We know. Okay, let's see daily. Yen pairs have been going up for a long time, and the market cannot continue in one direction all the time. No, it doesn't happen like that. So now, Euro JPY, this is wave 4 from the way I count. Wave 5 is what we are going to get. I mean, okay, now, so now from here, okay, let me zoom the chart. After wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 seems to have completed. Okay, let me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the fifth wave have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sub waves. So for this reason, I have every reason to sell. The sale has already begun from here. So one thing very good about this market is that stop loss is very tight. Here is stop loss, very tight stop loss. So let me go down to 1 hour. So down to 1 hour, you can see the market is so in a kind of consolidation. Then you can see enter. If you haven't entered, you can enter now. Let me show you 30 minutes chart. Market give us another setup here. So, and the stop loss is here for those who scalp, those who trade lower time frame. 15 minutes chart, 30 minutes chart, stop loss is here. But overall stop loss is at the top. It's left for you to decide what to do. USD JPY, excuse me. USD JPY, in as much as USD JPY seems to have completed the 50 wave, USD JPY seems not incomplete. So, but what matters is that the next move is where what matters to me is the next move. The next move is that I think the market to turn at this level. The market have entered the adversarial level. Even if it goes back into it again, it is still a sell market. So if you're selling from this level, here will be a stop loss. Here will be a stop loss. If you're selling from this level, if you're selling here at this level, there is a stop loss. So be mindful of that. But from here, I'm expecting the price to drop. Maybe after the drop, it can still go up. Okay, pounds JPY. Pounds JPY. Pounds JPY made a kind of surprise move. You see all this very sharp move. I don't understand why it happened. Maybe news. And after that, it's still going up again. So what is next? The next thing is that this very move is likely the last bullish sequence. So now my plan is to sell it if my plan is to sell if I get sales setup. If I see sales setup at this level, I will sell. If I don't see sales setup at this level, maybe at the break of this channel, I will sell. But there's no way sales setup cannot occur here. It depends on what you know and the ability to spot it. So it's important you learn how to do all these things. It's for your own benefit. Okay, so let's move down to gold. Gold, remember, gold, we have been selling gold. We have been selling gold for a long time, and the gold is at the reversal zone. Have gold reversed? I don't think so, but it is about to reverse. So let us see charts. So what's happening here on gold is that let's wait for chart to load. Now, for what's happening on gold is that this wave Y might have ended here. And if that is the case, that's what we call truncation. When markets fail to reach the standard level where it is expected to turn. Now, if this is our wave Y, it means that this is wave 1, this is wave 2, then it's beginning to go down from here. But I don't want to presume that it has ended. Now, let me go to 1 hour. So the possibility is that when market opens, if we see a sharp move going up like this, it means that gold is trying to do what we call expanding flat. It means that this wave X will be here. It means wave X make an expanding flat, A, B, C. But if market opens and gold begin to correct, then we assume that wave X ended here and the price will continue to sell. It calls for caution and tactical follow-up. Let's see silver. Now, silver and gold always go the same direction, but you can see silver is more tolerable in terms of the price movement. The sharp drop we see on gold did not happen on silver that much. It happened a little. Now, silver made a pattern we can regard as ending diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and have broken a channel. So now what we look for is sell setup. This sell setup, this is sell setup, but is not the kind of sell setup I like. So sometimes I use it to say it always. When you don't see a clear setup, you leave it and look for other. There's so many things to trade. So now, in my own calculation, what happened here is news. Sometimes when news move the market will still go back to complete. Now, this is what I during the week. This chart I share it with my subscribers. I swear this is like an A, B, C, and after that I was looking for the price to go up to this level or even higher, but it went down, which is not the normal way the market moves. But after this drop, after the break of this level, possibility of the market continue to go down is here. Just like on gold, the possibility of markets abandoning the remaining move is prevalent on gold and silver. So selling is likely to occur on both gold and silver, unless we see the price move very strongly back. Okay, let's see platinum. Platinum make a better structure than silver and gold. Platinum can begin to sell from here. Okay, let me go to 4 hours. So platinum make a very nice structure. Seems to be a complete structure. So the complaint, what I'm complaining or saying about silver and gold doesn't happen on platinum. So the price might continue to go down from here. It is normal. I can comfortably sell platinum than silver and gold. Because even if the price will reverse up, platinum might be correcting while silver and gold are going, we be going with the speed. So we wait and see how the market reacts. So as you can see, this pattern is somehow complete. You can see this is like A, B, then we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A very nice pattern. This is the first confirmation for sell. Second one will be here. Okay, so that's all I can tell you about platinum. US oil. US oil during the last week, the price of US oil put us in a very tight, made it was difficult to analyze, because in wave analysis, this is wave 1, this is wave 2, this is wave 3. Wave 4 went so deep. Now something happened here I will not explain to you. So I will not explain, but what I can tell you now is that US oil presents us with 2 opportunities, or maybe 2 main bias and an alternative. A main bias is that US oil will be going up. I shared this chart with my students during the week. So those who follow my analysis might bought US oil either from here or from here. I share this chart. So I have made some little adjustment, but I share this chart on my free Telegram channel. So if somebody bought here, the person might have closed it here or here or here. So now I also show this chart that the price will drop and reverse. It have dropped into our reversal zone. The question now is, will it come back and make a deeper, go deeper inside it, or have it ended? If that is the case, maybe the price begin to go up fast. So now, what we're expecting to see the price at least to come to this level before we know whether the price will go back again and sell one more time, or it will continue to go up. So let's take a big look at daily time frame. Daily time frame, this is our reversal zone. The price might have reversed. That's my own opinion. The price have reversed, and I can see the channel has been broken very, very well. It wasn't a pierce and return. It has broken the channel, which is an extra confirmation. So what we can see is that the markets can maybe consolidate around here and go up. So I'm not expecting another deep move again. So this might be wave 1 of a bigger move, or the wave 1 might be here. So why am I saying this? In as much there is war going on in Ukraine and Russia, which expect the price of commodities and other stocks I don't see oil going deeper again. Okay, that's my own bias. Or we might, this can be maybe wave one of a bigger move down. Then this an ABC is possible. But I can say 90% we will get this. 30% we will get a sell. So now I have to combine both crypto and other ones because of time. I don't have time to make two videos today. I have many things to do again today, so pardon me. But I think this video is very short. It's now it's still about 25 minutes of the video. So and there's nothing much to say on crypto. So now let me say something on NASDAQ. NASDAQ, we have two scenarios on NASDAQ. So let me show you daily first. On NASDAQ, the possibility of NASDAQ selling ending here is there. The possibility of this wave X, though it seems like 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, 4, and 5. It seems that we get another move down, but it's possible it have ended here. I know what this is why I'm saying it. Let me go back to 4 hours. Maybe I'll show you 1 hour again. So on 4 hours, this move seems to be corrective in nature. It seems to be corrective. And if that is the case, we can see the price go down. But this very sharp move up, making me have a second look at NASDAQ. That second look is this. Let me hide. That second look is this. This is wave 1. This is wave 1. Then this is wave 2. Then we have another wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. And that's what we call, let me use line. That's what we call leading diagonal. So this can be a leading diagonal. This can be a leading diagonal. So if this is a leading diagonal, it means what we have here is an A, B, then C. So if this bias is what we are getting, it means that this is wave 1, this is wave 2, maybe wave 3 somewhere here. Then after that, you may get A, B, C, 4, and 5. So if this is the case, expect a higher and higher move. If this is the case, but if this is not the case, expect maybe another sharp move down, correction and move down. So it calls for caution. Maybe if you join my Telegram channel, I will update it as the price begins to move next when market opens. Thank you for watching this. Okay, so now let me go to cryptos. No time to cryptos. Let me go to 4 hours. I remember last week, I said that the only pattern I see on crypto is what we call an ending diagonal. I think I made something like this. My last video, you will see a line that appears like this. So as an end diagonal, if this through an ending diagonal, the price will drop from here and complete the move to this zone and begin to go up again. Now, what do we have here? This looks like an A, that's WXY or ABC. So why am I saying this? The crypto can still go down. I will tell you the truth. Crypto can still go down. Don't celebrate yet. But all I can tell you is that whether it goes down or not, cryptos, why am I keep saying this? People who said that crypto is going back to 3,000, 5,000, and I'm looking at them. Last week I said something. I don't want to talking on the same point. If you want to know what said on crypto, go to my last video. I made a separate video on cryptos. It was about 10 minutes video. Go and watch it, and you see what I explained. Last week, I made a separate video on cryptos. I made some explanations. You can go and watch them. So now, what do we get? I think we're gonna sell. Cryptos will sell. But I don't know whether the sell will end here and go up, or if the sell will do this and sell bigger. I can't say that now until I see what the market is doing. But crypto will sell any moment from now. That's from my experience. So I don't have time to go to Ethereum, Ethereum and others. What happens to BTC happens to others. You can see my last focus on Ethereum. You can see it. I said if here is broken, it will reverse and go up. So now I think by the grace of God, my analysis is maybe is good. Let me say it like so. So if you don't have experience, you can join me. I teach you, and I don't charge much to compare the value I will give you. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. God bless you.